Yo, what's up guys? So this is me once again, Coffee Gaming. For today's video guys, we're going to play Sage War. So this is server 1 versus server 2 and then server 3. Okay, but the server 2 right now is currently merged into server 55. So let's go and good luck. Have fun. And then before I forgot anything, shout out to my beautiful beloved wife, Universe. That's why my character name's Universe. So let's go back to fight. Fight for the glory. Dami nyo dyan ha. Hindi banat.
Wait, let me get my head straight. I need a drink of water. It's been days I've had a headache. Don't wanna wake up one day, feel like I regret things. I want my story just to have a happy ending. And I don't got a plan B, a plan A's all I need. Took the ships from the sea and burnt them all, no retreat. It's kill or get, eat, and get buried with the seeds. But that makes me feel free, hella focused on my dreams. I got habits, they're established. I'm doing things a bit manic, but I can handle it. Juggle this, juggle that, struggle here, lose some cash. Win and lose, make it back. You can choose your own path. Nothing good comes fast, nothing fast ever lasts. So I'll be patient but attack every day like it's my last. Push the pedal to the gas, burn the fuel that I have. Start a fire, light a match, I ain't never looking back. So plant hard in your feet, there's no retreat. Burn the boats on the shore till they're buried underneath. There ain't no going back. Forget the past out of desperation. All the people born who can last. There's no retreat, but believe you got it in you. You can do anything that you think that you need. Don't be scared, go succeed. The only people who compete are the ones who don't retreat. Feel unstoppable, ain't responsible to try to make all the impossible go flip to probable. This life is not something that's optional, it's got its obstacles, but it's a gift. So don't miss out on your chance to be phenomenal. Push all the chips in, I take risks cause risky wins. I take it straight to the chin, then get right back up again. I don't lose, I always win, cause any loss is a lesson. I got a different engine, wanna go, I'll go again. I'm on the chase while they running, call the plays that are coming. Turn a profit out of nothing, like a prophet up and coming. Taking shots, I'm always gunning. When I gamble, never bluffing. Last shot, I'll be clutching. Hit the shot they always wanted. Game winners, train killers. I can make 7 figures, 8 figures, 9 figures. Pay for any fucking dinner. Paint a picture, life richer. Good people, good liquor. Life bigger, fight winner. I just wanna get there quicker. So plant hard in your feet, there's no retreat. Burn the boats on the shore till they're buried underneath. There ain't no going back. Forget the past out of desperation. All the people born who can last. There's no retreat, but believe you got it in you. You can do anything that you think that you need. Don't be scared, go succeed. The only people who compete are the ones who don't retreat. I look at what's in front of me, don't focus on the other things. I know that if I'm struggling, that only leads to a tougher me. and I want and need something that could challenge me. Build up all my calluses, push through all their callousness. Becoming reckless, I'm ambitious and I'm restless, yeah. Was an apprentice but possessed a different engine, so I asked a lot of questions and I learned a lot of lessons, yeah. Got different weapons and I worked on my direction, yeah.
We gon' hike through the flame, we gon' die with a name, and we gon' fight through the pain, we gon' rise up and change, we gon' strive to make gains, cause we don't hide from the blame, we take pride when we train, we gon' rise up and change, and we gon' hike through the flame, we gon' die with a name, and we gon' fight through the pain, yeah, we gon' rise up and change, and we gon' strive to make gains, we don't hide from the blame, we take pride when we train, we gon' rise up and change.
When I make that bet, got goals in my mind that I want real bad, so I work and strive to get all of that. Don't need any luck, my work pays off, cause the more I work, the more I take off. I don't lack direction, I'm never lost, always on play, never hit pause. And I teach classes on these things, lessons came through lyrically, but now I think it's time to be professor of the finer things, to guide the next, to try and be proactively trying things in the shadows quietly, building their own dynasty.
We gon' hike through the flame, we gon' die with a name, we gon' fight through the pain, we gon' rise up and change, we gon' strive to make gains, cause we don't hide from the blame, we take pride when we train, we gon' rise up and change, we gon' hike through the flame, we gon' die with a name, we gon' fight through the pain, we gon' rise up and change, we gon' strive to make gains, we don't hide from the blame, we take pride when we train, we gon' rise up and change. I got all the voters.
I swear to God, I've been at it for a minute, climbing to the top, and this music was my ticket. Found a way to grind, turn a passion to a business. No limit, I'ma get it, having millions as a witness. I'm addicted to winning, living up every single day. I'll be fighting and building up in a million different ways. I don't think I can stop, I think I need the chase. I love to race, and I'm running till I'm first place. Long nights, long flights, I'ma make it big. Big dreams, big sights since I was a kid. Doing things that I like, let the pieces fit. I like the pain, feel alive when I'm under it. I could change, adapt, do what I need to. All these obstacles, they looking see-through. Don't let the anger out, just let it feed you. I'll see you at the top, just let me teach you.
Yeah, I'ma be a high roller, move forward in the battle like soldier, in the game like closer. I'll be at the top of the chain, straight owner. Yeah, I got a different motor, I don't need any help, I'm a loner. You'll be seeing my name on posters, you could call me POTUS, I got all the voters.
They be like, really, you got a milli from doing something silly? I'm like, chilly, I've been killing for decades now, Billy. Well, maybe like several years, but who's counting really? I just know how to turn something silly into a milli. Got a lot to say, and a lot need to hear it. You don't quit today, we don't stop, no, we feel it to the top. Yeah, we change our whole world, yeah, we steer it. Getting lost in the things that make us all worth hearing on. I'm the first one to turn up, learn stuff, but mostly I'm just in the lab getting work done. Cause the bills on the first, they still worth some. I never forget being broke, man, it hurts, son. But not as bad as not having any purpose. I took stabs, this and that, and it's working. But I still grind every day for that thirst. It's a curse being first, yeah, still gotta get my work done.
Yeah, I'ma be a high roller, move forward in the battle like soldier, in the game like closer. I'll be at the top of the chain, straight owner. Yeah, I got a different motive. I don't need any help, I'm a loner. You'll be seeing my name on posters. You could call me POTUS, I got all the voters. Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no control in me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll put it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I don't fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll put it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. Wait, let me get my head straight, I need a drink of water. It's been days I've had a headache. Don't wanna wake up one day, feel like I regret things. I want my story just to have a happy ending. And I don't got a plan B, a plan A's all I need. Took the ships from the sea and burnt them all, no retreat. It's kill or get eat, and get buried with the seeds. But that makes me feel free, hella focused on my dreams. I got habits, they're established. I'm doing things a bit manic, but I can handle it. Juggle this, juggle that, struggle here, lose some cash. Win and lose, make it back. You can choose your own path, nothing good comes fast. Nothing fast ever lasts, so I'll be patient but attack every day like it's my last. Push the pedal.
So that's it, guys. Our war sage was done, and let's see how it looks like. The seeing of the result. Wow, you English me. English me, motherfucker. So that's it. Nice one, guys. Nice one. So server 1, server 2 they got 1S. Okay. That's it. It's a nice game, guys. GG, well played. As can you see, our rank is rank 13, guys. Rank 13. Can you imagine? I told you guys, even you don't spend that much, you can still be on the rankings as long as you do a good build to your character. You take good care of the bird. So here guys, I'm going to show you all of my skills that I use for PvP. This one, so this one, and then the active skill is this one, the green one. Okay, and then this one is the second one, and then the active skill is the blue one, and then this is the third skill. Okay, also the blue one, the active skill, and then here the fourth skill, I'm using this one, also the blue active skill, and then for the fifth skill, also the blue active skill I use. So that's it. It's up to you guys if you want to what you call this, if you want to follow how I use for PvP skills. Everything is upon you, but I'm just sharing my understanding and my opinion, knowledge, whatever is it. And then to my talent, this one. Okay, basic attack, I didn't add here because it will be just a waste of my talent stone. So as you can see, this is what I prioritize, priority, and yeah, that's it. And another one, this one, potential mastery, guys. This is what I'm using in my potential mastery, but sometimes I change it, but for PvP this is what I use. Okay, and then for my inscription, this one guys, inscription. Okay, so I have speed and I have alchemy. That's it. And if you have any question guys, you can just comment on my YouTube channel, on my video. Just comment there if you have some question, and I'll try to answer it as long as my knowledge can reach it. Oh wow, sana all my wings. But as you can see guys, we don't spend that much, so I don't have bias for this wings. Oh my god. But if I have a Dayas, I always priority this gem and then the red gem. That's what I always priority, guys. So before I end this video, guys, shout out again to my beloved wife, Universe. That's why my character is named Universe. And then shout out to all top rankings player here on our server. This one, guys, as you can see, we have server 2, server 3, and we are server 1. Okay, so as I know, server 2 is merged with server 55. So here you can see it's top 1 Lord Kratos, the second one Sub-Zero, and the third one our leader, it's Adrian, but for now he changed name to No. And then the fourth one M Soul, shout out to you bro. Competence, Lucifer, Danso Akai, shout out to all of you guys. As you can see guys, I'm not even on the ranked list. See, the top 100 is 5M CP, and as you can see my CP is only 4.9, so I still have a long way to go before I can reach top 100. But as you can see, I give whatever it is, Kaliwani. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. This is Coffee Gaming once again. Thank you so much, and baboosh!